Dears, shall we begin our biology class? Okay. In our previous chapter, we have seen that cells are the basic units of living beings. And these cells combine together to form tissues. From these tissues, organs are made and these organs constitute organ systems. Every organ has their own functions. For example, kidney is filtering urine. Heart is pumping blood. Brain helps for thinking. If kidney is not filtering urine, what will happen? Yes, waste will be accumulated in the body. It will be toxic to the body. So in such case, the brain is not able to think in proper condition. It means these activities are interconnected or these organs are interconnected. If any disorder in these organs, what will happen? It will lead to the disorder in the body. In this chapter, we have to study about such disorders in the body. Health and disease. Why do we fall ill? The name of our chapter is Why do we fall ill? Health is a common word always we use. You might have often heard good health, poor health, healthy attitude, etc. Can you say what is health? Yes, it is the good condition or wellness feeling of an individual, physically, mentally and socially. Health is the feeling of being well physically, mentally and socially. From the definition, now you understood. One's health cannot be determined by himself or herself, is it? Which depends upon the physical condition, social condition, etc. The health of all organisms will depend on their surroundings or environment. Our health depends on our surroundings or our environment. The environment includes physical environment. For example, in a cyclonic area, the life will be at very risk. And nowadays, in every year, we face the problem of flood. In such cases, what will happen? The life will be at risk. And also, there may be lots of problems with people. The people may not get enough food items or the life will not be safe. And if we face the problem of drought, there will be lack of drinking water and there will be lack of water for different purposes. So in such cases also, people will be tensed or people will be worried. This will also affect their health. At the same time, human beings are social animals. Our social environment is an important factor in our health. For example, cleanliness, public cleanliness. If there is no proper sanitation methods or if there is no proper drainage, if the drainage is opened or if the drainage is blocked, what will happen? The dirty water will be overflown or waste will be dumped there. And if garbage is collected anywhere or deposited anywhere or dumped anywhere, this also will lead to many problems. Different types of spreading diseases, foul smell in the surroundings. In such cases, the people will be worried or the people will be tensed. At the same time, good economic condition and job facilities of people. If people do not have proper job facilities, their economic condition will be bad. In such cases, they may not be able to get enough food items. They may not be able to get nutritious food, which will affect their health. And if the people cannot live peacefully in a society, they will be tensed, they will be worried. And if people are getting fear of anyone, or if they are harassed by anyone, they will be tensed, or there should be social equality and harmony in the society. Like this, different factors will affect people's health. There are different types of issues around us. All these social issues will affect our social health. At the same time, the health is different in different people. For example, in the case of a dancer, his proper health means he should be able to stretch his body in all directions, or he has to dance well, or the body movements he should be able to do in proper way. And in the case of a musician, his throat should be in proper condition, and also his lungs should be healthy for taking deep breaths and all. So the health is different in different people, but the potential for health is unique among us. Yes? My dears, till now we discussed on health. Now we have to go to disease. Or we have to move to the topic disease. What do we mean by disease? If we observe the literal meaning of the word disease, disturbed is condition. The condition of our body is disturbed. Disturbed condition of our body. There is something wrong in the body. We know there are different organs in body for different functions. In these functions, if there is any change, there will be some symptoms. And these symptoms will be sign of some diseases. Headache is a sign of disease. It's a symptom. It's a sign of disease. Cough, loose motions. These are all signs of diseases. These indicate that there may be a disease, but they don't indicate that what the disease is. Yes? So, to understand the disease, we have to consult a physician. And from your symptoms, the physician will tell about the disease, or else we have to undergo a laboratory test. In this chapter, we have to study about different types of diseases, their causes and preventive methods. If you recall, we studied now health. Different factors which affect health. Physical factors, mental factors, social factors, and also disease. Yes? Is it clear? Right.